Today, we will talk about how to plan a family reunion. Let's have a look at the details. Since the advent of personal computer and network technology, genealogy research by family members has become an addictive pastime that has contributed to many happy family reunions. But what if you were asked to organize the next event? Where would you start? When should you start? Should you hire a family reunion planner, form a reunion committee, or do it all yourself? Ask for other family members to help with planning activities and choosing the time and place. Get the word out. Let others know you're planning a family reunion event. Give family members plenty of notice. Usually 3 or 4 months advance notice will allow attendees to plan vacation time or make adjustments in scheduling. Assign each member of your newly formed reunion committee a specific task. This could be tasks such as T-shirts and memorabilia, genealogy presentations including memorials and historic tours, entertainment, dining events, reunion books, entertainment, photography, etc. Give each member written instructions regarding how to execute his or her task. Create a timeline reminder. Make good use of family reunion planner organizers that feature schedulers and timeline reminders. Make use of event planning software with editable worksheets and templates. Schedule the next meeting 1 or 2 months away and follow up on all action items. Keep the lines of communication wide open. Hold each person responsible for their assignment. Decide some of the main things that will occur at the reunion. For example, you may wish to honor the elders and accomplished members of the family, acknowledge those who are going through something, etc. Be sure to encourage each other. During the gathering, have food and drink available. Share stories and anecdotes. Don't gossip or spread rumors. Keep everything positive and friendly. Bring lots and lots of love, even for people you usually clash with. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.